Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're looking at this fantastic, it is a Logitech mouse. I'm going to show you all about it. And it is really a fantastic device. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Now Logitech makes a great mouse. I've been using this one for over a year. So you can see it's got a few little smudges and dirt on it, but it's still in great shape. It is laser based. You do have kind of an on-off and right here. And this thing is fantastic. Now, the plug itself looks just like this in the side of my computer, and we're gonna click it to show you how loud it is. So not completely silent, very easy to use, like even the slightest little movement, you're really going to be able to control it. But it's a good looking mouse. Again, you know, even with a year's worth of wear, there's a little scratch there. I drop this thing all the time, and I think that's important for a lot of us, that it is scratch resistant and drop resistant. It does have kind of a gel feel on the sides, which is relaxing to the hand, and an ergonomic design. So go ahead and pick yours up today. That ergonomic design is going to help with carpal tunnels, anything like that. The black will show a little bit of smudges, as you can see, a little bit of smudges on it, but nothing horrible. And overall, a great mouse. So order today, you won't be disappointed. This is a Logitech wireless mouse.